Hello everyone, let's do a problem on the concept of area. Let's read the question. How many bricks are required to build a wall of height 2.88 meters and width 50 centimeters if the length of each brick is 12 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. So if you observe here carefully, you can clearly see that there is a wall and we need to build this wall. You need to build this wall and they give the height of the wall and also the width of the wall. And with what do we construct the wall? We are going to construct the wall with the bricks. So basically, here they gave the dimensions of the wall, and the wall is going to be constructed with the bricks, right? They also gave the dimension of each of the brick. They gave the dimensions of the each of the brick, and also they gave the dimension of the complete total wall. If you observe carefully, the height of the wall is in meters, but the width is in centimeters. Can you convert 2.88 meters to centimeters? Let us do that first. Because we want the dimensions to be in the same units, if one dimension is in centimeters, I want the other one also to be in centimeter. Both should be same units. Okay, let us convert first. 2.88 meters is how many centimeters? So let us do this. 2.88 meters is how many centimeters? How to do this? We know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. We know this, right? 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 2.88 meters will be 2.88 into 100 centimeters. Into 100 means what happens to the point? The point will jump 2 times to the right and it becomes 288 point, which is nothing but 288 centimeters. Okay, now if we see the wall, dimensions of the wall, the height we got as 288 centimeters and the width is 50 centimeters. Let us draw a rough sketch of that wall. Okay, so let us draw the wall here in the rough area. See, as we can see, the height is how much? 288 centimeters. And what is the width of the wall? The width is 50 centimeters. The width of the wall is 50 centimeters. If you observe here, I constructed this wall in the shape of a rectangle. Why? Because clearly I can see 288 is not equal to 50. So if it is a square shape, they should be equal. Since they are not equal, I'm taking that in the shape of a rectangle. In the rectangle, you know what? Length is not equal to breadth. If length equal to breadth, if the sides are equal, it becomes a square. So anyways, now let us find the area, the inside area of this rectangle. Let us find the area of this rectangular shaped wall. Area of this wall, you can clearly see this wall is in the shape of a rectangle. So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? The formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here we in general we consider the length as the longest side, breadth as the smaller one. So here we can take the length as 288 centimeters and let us take the breadth as 50 centimeters. So the unit of area, if the length and breadth are in centimeters, the unit of area will be square centimeter. Square centimeter. Let us multiply 288 into 50. How do we do that? Let us do that in the rough work. 288 into 50. Ending 0, you can just close it. Just concentrate this spot. 288 into 5 is 5 8s are how much? 40. 4 carry. Sorry. So 4 gets carried over here. And then 0 will come here. Again 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. 4 carry 4 here. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14. And this ending 0 copy here. So what did we get? We actually got that it has 14400. 14,400 square centimeters is the total area of the wall. Now, if you observe, based on the question, they said this wall is constructed with so many bricks. This wall has been constructed with lot and lots of bricks, and they said each brick is 12 centimeters length. It's having 12 centimeters length and 10 centimeters breadth. So they said, so let us draw one more picture of this is the picture of the rough sketch of the brick. They said the length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. So let us find the area of this brick. Area of the single brick. Area of each brick. Area of each brick is going to be, again, that length is not length, you can take it as 12 centimeters and breadth as 10 centimeters. Since 12 not equal to 10, it's not the square shape. We're going to consider it as a rectangle having the length is the longest side, 12 centimeters, and the breadth is the shorter side, that is 10 centimeters. So again, area here units will be centimeter into centimeter. You're going to take it as square centimeter, and 12 tens are 120. Now we got the area of each brick, and also we know the total area of the wall. Now we need to find, what do we need to find? We need to find how many bricks are needed. So if you want to find the number of bricks, what you need to do is, if you want to find the number of bricks will be equal to total area of the wall, this should be divided with the area of each brick. How did you get this formula? Is there any magic in this? It's just simple. Let's look here. If we take a wall like this, and let us suppose these are all the bricks, these are the bricks over here, and if you want to know the number of bricks, what we're doing, the total area of the wall is being divided by the area of each brick. Why? Because look here carefully. If you take the area of one brick, and so if you take the area of one single brick and you multiply it with the number of bricks, what do you get? You're going to get the total area of the wall. Why? Because area of one brick plus area of another one brick plus area of another brick plus area of another brick, like that. If you add it until how many bricks are there, those many times, if you add, what will you get? You'll get the total area of the wall. And we know repeated addition is multiplication. So area of one brick is being added how many times? How many number of bricks are there? Those many times. So the repeated addition, you can take it as a multiplication. So area of one brick is being multiplied to the number of bricks, because area of one brick is being added how many times? The number of bricks times to get the total area. So this is equal to the total area, is equal to the total area of the wall. Now if you want to know the number of bricks, what you can do here is, since the area of one brick is being multiplied to this number of bricks, if you throw it opposite side, it's going to be dividing the total area. So the number of bricks will be equal to total area. The multiplication symbol, it goes opposite, it becomes divided by the area of one brick. That's why if you want to know the number of bricks, it's going to be already that side we have the total area, and now the multiplication, this area of one brick is being multiplied here, it goes opposite, it becomes opposite sign, that's division. Opposite of multiplication is division, and this copy here down, it goes down, area of one brick. In this way I got this formula. So now let us put the values. What is the total area of the wall? I got it as 14,400 divided with what's the area of each brick. As you can see here, I got the area of the wall as 14,400 and the area of each brick is 120. Area of each brick is 120. Let us do the division here. As you can see here, 0 0 gets cancelled. 12 into how much is 144? 12 12 is 144, and here 1 0 is left. So these many bricks are needed to construct this wall. Let me tell you one more way of doing this. Let us suppose, let's take this here, the area let me take here, and number of bricks let me take here. For the total area is how much? 14,400. How many bricks are needed? So total number of bricks are needed, right? For the total area, we need to find this. And if you take the area of one brick, it is 120 square centimeters. So how many bricks are there here? One brick. So what you can do here is, you can apply the concept of square multiplication. I hope you understood what I am doing here. Area I wrote in one side and the number of bricks I wrote in one side. For the total area, we need to find how many bricks are there, total bricks. If it is for 120 square centimeters, that is the area of one brick. So now what you can do is, without any formula, just do the cross multiplication and equate them. Just do cross multiplication. What it becomes is 120 into that box value is equal to, now do the cross, this one, multiply that, 14,400 into 1. So basically we're equating both the cross multiplied values. This is the advanced concept of unitary method. And now let us do this. If you want to know this box value, there's a number of bricks. As I told you already, here you can see 14,400 into 1 0 is 14,400 into 120 goes opposite side, it becomes divided by 120. If you observe carefully, this is same as this. Now you do the calculation as I told you, you're going to get this value. Thank you so much.